Men who possess, who awaken that internal power are absolutely irresistible to women. In this video, I will explain how to boost your self-esteem with testicle massage. Self-esteem is how we value and perceive ourselves, how we are feeling about ourselves internally. Self-esteem has a straight correlation with our internal power. If we devalue ourselves, it feels like it's a little child somewhere crawled into a corner, terrified of what may come. And when you start to heal and discover that internal power, it is as though you're getting up on your 2 feet, looking outside, and eventually standing as a great warrior on your own 2 feet, eagerly waiting of what may come, whether it's a challenged experience or a joyful experience. The more you're tapped into that internal masculine power, the more chances you have to maximize your potential as a man. If we type into Google what is power, the first thing that comes up is the ability of an individual to influence the beliefs, the thoughts, and the actions of others. Power is when you can be more, when you can have more, when you can do more. Now, of course, as an example, we have leaders at certain corners of the world who are no doubt very powerful, and they do certainly influence actions, thoughts, and beliefs of others, but that power comes from this wounded aspect of theirs, and so they wreak real havoc in the world. They use this power for their personal gain, for their personal gratification, without the consideration for the good of the others. But that's very low on the scale of ego development. The whole point of self-development and growth is that we move from tribalism to socialized society, and then to self-authoring mind, and eventually to self-transforming mind. And so we bring the good that comes from lower level of development, and we transcend the bad, as Ken Wilber puts it. As you continue on a journey of personal development, you become more emotionally intelligent, you maximize your cognitive potential, you develop your ego, you become more conscientious, you start seeing a broader picture. The more powerful you become, healthy kind of powerful. So what does testicle massage have to do with cultivating your internal power and self-esteem? Testicles. This is where your power lies. Sperm lives there. Testosterone is produced inside of your testicles. The world is built on this testosterone. You fertilize the egg in order to bring a new life into this world. This is how important that piece of your anatomy is, and it needs that extra care. And when you do somatic practices like testicle massage, and if you don't know how to do it, go ahead and download my free step-by-step guide to testicle massage. You'll find the link in the description below. You establish a deeper connection with yourself. Besides that it grounds you down, besides that it actually boosts your sexual virility, there's also an important aspect of it, the exercise that comes after your massage, your testicles, is where you adapt the body posture, right, of how you want to feel. And that's what exactly self-esteem. How do you want to feel about yourself? How do you want for the world to perceive you, right? So it's all connected, because we can't just think about it or feel about it. We have to connect it to our body. And testicles is exactly that place where that connection needs to be established. Men who possess, who awaken that internal power are absolutely irresistible to women. And I heard already enough of feedback when guys are practicing that massage as little as 3 minutes per day. They feel the benefits. And if you're one of those guys, please share us your benefits in the comments below. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe, like it, and yes, leave me a comment. And I will see you soon. Bye.